Hi everybody, or all three of you that watch my videos. You're up to a farm near Peterhead, a place called Clayton. I think we're about 15 miles away from it. Never been here before, so could be fun. Hopefully this guy behind is going to move over, give him plenty of space. Give him a wee move. So yeah, I normally do the videos coming out of the farms because it's usually dark when I'm on my way through them. But the sun's just about to come up over to the right hand side. You can see the North Sea. I love the red sky. Obviously the camera can see that. We're on the A90 just now. Another 6 miles we'll come to a roundabout. I'm just going to continue to follow the A90. It comes into St Carrie's Way. Down to 40 mile an hour. So we're annoying everybody, unfortunately. Excuse me. I'm still getting ready to learn. I made a wee video last week. I'm still got the bug. If you hear me coughing and spluttering, I apologise. It was a half-3 start this morning. The time is 7:30 just now. To be there for 8 o'clock. Sat nav saying we'll get there at 7:56. Cutting it quite fine. I'm sure we'll make it okay. Another long week. I was on 52 hours this morning when I started, and this is probably going to be a 12-hour shift. So good for the pennies getting in the bank, but at what cost? Over to the right, it's pretty lovely. One good thing about this job is you get to see all the sunrises. Yeah, it's around the winter, you get to see all the sunsets as well. link, basically follow the E90 excuse me, until we get to the town of Ayton and turn off, and I don't think it's far from there. I'm not sure if we can go through Ayton with a truck. I'm hoping so. If not, it looks like we need to take a long way round. Quiet until you're approaching this roundabout, and then all the traffic starts appearing from nowhere. Unfortunately, that's not too bad. At some point you need to move out. Usually there's a big queue behind you immediately. Coming down there, but that's a shame. Not much you can do about it. Truck's empty just now, obviously, so can I drive it properly? I got one of the loads of Totties weighed, and me sitting in the truck, it was 43.5 tonne. It was close, half a tonne off the maximum weight we're allowed. Drivers driving with their fog lights on, thinking they look cool. Morons. Ellen was on the left hand side up here. I think I've done a video of going past Ellen. One of the farms up there, I think I have, I'm not sure. outside of Peterhead, 24 miles outside of Fraserburgh, according to that sign. I think we'll be roughly 10 miles to get to this farm, if we're going to the right place, that is. And if we can go the way I think we can go. Bar up here on the left, I went in one day, my god. I wouldn't recommend it. Really bad. Sat nav 5 miles. We'll be taking a left on the Station Road, and we have 6.2 miles to go. I've got Google Maps on the Apple CarPlay thing, and it said 5.3 miles. Now that's not set for a lorry, so what we'll do is we'll follow the truck nav until we get close. Google Maps is good for getting you right to the door. Obviously it's set for a car, which is no use to us. We've got a van behind us that's going to do a hero move in just a wee second, the indicator's on. It is pretty ridiculous, this is just a 40 for trucks. It should be way much faster. Else overtake, that's a bit dodgy, mate, that's a bit dodgy. Get a fast wee van, that, surprisingly so. I see that the Google Maps is telling me to turn towards Fraserburgh, that's not right, definitely not. It's this junction ahead. Go left up here to go to Fraserburgh. Stay on the main drag to go to Peterhead. So you're going to stay on the main drag. Quite a bad junction this. There's not a lot of accidents at it. Sky now. That man going for it, he's not so fast, that one. There's any need to cut the nose off and so that, mate. People get annoyed at you for doing the speed limit. Up the speed limit. this parking bit to let the traffic pass, but as far as I can remember they've closed it off. Yep. Can't go in. Closed for a long time now. Don't know why. Terrible holding people up. When are you going for it? Who else? Just have to sit there for a mile. Put up with me for a mile and then we'll be coming off. Things are right, we'll make it be a minute to spare, or 5 minutes to spare. Up to these farms, as you're approaching them, you start to feel a wee bit, I wouldn't say anxious, but a wee bit of anticipation of how bad the road's going to be, and if you're going to the right farm. Put our indicator on and let people know. We'll be out their way in a second. That was a good sign. The farmer gave us a wee wave there. So, maybe we're going to his farm. In fact, if you've got a couple inches, you can go over there. Just as well. I think that's the shop there. That gives me that idea. Does it sell rolls? I've not got any lunch maybe. What's that there? That looks... Oh, a bakery. Oh. I'm definitely visiting that on the way back. That's a result. Oh, there we go. Happy days. set of lights coming into that side wire there is. That's what it was there. Brush off the cones. That's that guy's wing mirror. Oh, huge spin. Roads are. There must be ice in the roads up here. Really struggling for traction. Cars don't look that easy. This is where things get interesting. Am I on the right road? That is the question. Pretty sure it's up there on the right. Well, according to the sat-navs it is. The road's quite icy. It's going to make it easy. Dun, dun, dun. Wonder if this is right. Surface is good. It'll be good if we're coming to a dead end up here with a bit of reversing. There's something up here. Looks promising. There's a sign. Google Maps gave up a wee minute ago. This is it. Right, so all we need to do is work out where we have to go. I think what I'll do is I want to see what's happening. That looks like a wee office over there, so I'll go over and see what the chat is. Oh. Not sure I don't want that. Obviously not. Anyhow. Get my feet dirty. found somebody eventually. Oh, I opened that door to that cabin thing there and there was a big tasty looking gattle. I was tempted just to stick my face right in it. Munch it. I seemingly have to go down here. I think that's what he meant anyway. And I'll see a ramp. Down to my left, he said. Oh, there's a ramp there. Where the fuck am I going to do this? Down there. I think I've been here before. Just down to that ramp. I can't remember right, there's a car in there. There is, look, an Astra. There's an Astra. God, that's been years. Forward a wee bit more. This is nuts, I can't remember going in, but I remember once in here, I remember. It's no wonder so many air trucks in there. There's the columns ripped at that front bumper. Where are they? Got the goose there. I remember rightly, that's something Astra GSI, something one for the 90s. It looks a lot dirtier than it was the last time I was here. That's for sure. What I used to see this. Drop a bit better. Oh, Jesus. So what we'll do is I'll just cut the video off just now and I'll thank you for watching. Hopefully tune in for the next one. Cheers.